Hello and welcome to the Shiba Swap tutorial for beginners, for dummies, or even for newbies. In this video, we're going to break things down very slow, step by step of how we can get Shiba inside of our portfolio, and we're going to stake and bury that Shiba so we can start earning rewards step by step style. So if you're a beginner to Shiba Swap, you definitely want to watch this video. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is go to shibatoken.com or shibaswap.com because that's how we can access Shiba Swap. Now, what I'm going to do is go right to the right here that says use Shiba Swap. I'm going to move my camera over to the right so you can see all the cool things that Shiba Swap has to offer. Now, one of the beautiful things about Shiba Swap is that you can earn rewards. You can really maximize rewards of your actually Shiba bone or leash. So that's the main reason why I use it, and I hope you get a chance to use this as well. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is when you get to the website, identify the pricing. So the Shiba price is this current price, leash is this price, and bone is this current price. So that will help you determine what type of steps you could possibly be doing next. So in my opinion, what I would do in this video is start connecting to my wallet will be next. So connect to wallet, and then here you must make a decision which one do you need to connect with. Now, all three of these, you can download it from your mobile device. If you have an Android phone, you can use the Play Store, or if you have an actually Apple phone, you got to go to the App Store. And I will show you here in a few minutes because we're going to decide on the WalletConnect. When I click on WalletConnect, it's connecting me right to my actually phone here. You see that? And what happens is, and I'll bring up the phone here, it's connected to my TrustWallet account. Now, if I go here and go to Play Store here, this is where you would download the TrustWallet. Download the TrustWallet, and then that will give you access to the WalletConnect right in the settings section. So if I go back here, and if I go here, just like that. So when you download the TrustWallet, go to the settings, and you can look right at the WalletConnect. So I'll show you this right here. I'll leave, okay. So this is the TrustWallet. This, when you download it, this will be the TrustWallet. And how I had did it, went to settings and WalletConnect. That's how I connected with it. Now in the TrustWallet, the main thing you'll use out of this with Shiba Swap will be Ethereum. Now when you download the TrustWallet, Ethereum will automatically show up in your TrustWallet. You can purchase Ethereum by clicking here, and you can purchase Ethereum right through your TrustWallet. So the good thing about that is you don't necessarily have to search for Ethereum. It will automatically show up in your TrustWallet. The next thing you want to go ahead and do, make sure you have enough Ethereum. So for this future transaction, what I'm about to go ahead and do, I do have enough Ethereum. I have $91.67 at this particular time. So if I go to settings and go to WalletConnect, I can go click on Connect Wallet, then WalletConnect, and then I gotta scan the barcode to get the access to the actually TrustWallet and the WalletConnect that's part of Shiba Swap. Then right now, what it's telling me to do, it says now you're connected. See that? And there's a shibaswap.com web address, my address, and also the signed transaction, which I haven't done any transaction just yet. That's how you do it. Very simple and very easy. The next thing we're going to do, we want to be able to actually get Shiba. And the best way of doing this is by swapping for it. Now, Ethereum plays a big role in this. And I always say, make sure you have enough Ethereum. And you can buy this right from your TrustWallet, just like I just showed you in a few minutes. As a matter of fact, all those wallets there, you can buy Ethereum. But now we're going to do, we got Ethereum. We have enough Ethereum because we already had Ethereum. And then next we're going to do is click here and look for Shiba. That's all we're doing. We're typing in Shiba. I just type in Shib, and this what comes up. I just select it, and then next I want to think about is how much Shiba do I want. Now what I'm going to do is just say, let's just say this amount here. I'm going to say 20 million. So I'm going to say 20 million Shib. I'm exchanging that Ethereum that I had for Shiba. That's what we're doing. And I want to get 20 million Shib. I want to make sure that's 20 million. And it is 20 million. Now, right here, it's just a breakdown what is going to happen next. The liquidity provider fee, they're going to take some Ethereum out just to let you know, the price impact, and then the maximal sold. This transaction will revert if there is a large unfavorable price. Right now, it seemed like this will go through, but it won't go through, so I have to make adjustments here. Sorry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and get 10 million because I didn't have enough Ethereum to actually accept the whole type of transaction. I'm glad that just happened. I'm glad. So now I'm going to get 10 million, but let's go ahead and get 5 million. So I'm going to get 5 million. I'm going to swap. Let me go back here. Let's see. Make sure it is connected. Okay, so it seemed like it was loading up a little bit. Now I should be able to swap. Okay, seemed like it was just a little bit of a delay there. But now it's asking me to swap this. So I've got my Ethereum, and I'm getting 5 million Shib. This is liquidity fees, provider fees, which is Ethereum, taking more Ethereum out. And then the maximal sold is basically what this is. And this is the Shib as well, a price of Shib. So I'm going to bring this up, confirm swap. What it's doing is telling me it's going to be an $8.21 fee of my TrustWallet, WalletConnect account. All I have to do is approve this. That's all it's doing. It's more of a kind of a confirmation or confirming the transaction. I click on approve. We're good to go there. Close. And the next thing what happens is a pending there. So Shibaswap is actually looking to pin this. They're looking to go through the process of this transaction. So it's just a pending transaction. This should go through in a few minutes. Now, what will happen is next, when that does get through, come to bury, which is basically we're going to stake what we just purchased or swap for. So that's what I'm going to let you know next. So pending. So we're just going to go ahead and go there and wait till this pending transaction goes through. Now, this is one of my small accounts here that I only have about 19 million Shiba. And what we're doing on this account, we're just staking it. It's just staking it. So I'm going to click on Bury Shib. And the next thing I want to do is going ahead and staking this when this transaction comes through. I click on there. It's still pending right now. So nothing's went through. So a couple of other things while this go ahead and confirm this right here, TVL, what that means is it's total value locked. So that's how much money that's being flowed into Shibaswap, just to let you know there as well. Now, okay, here we go. Transaction has been approved with the green success. See here, right there. That's what I look out for. I look out for that green success. And the next thing, that's the 5 million sheet that we just purchased. This is the Bone APR, the Ethereum APY, and the Shib APY. So what we're going to do, and that's annual percentage rate, annual percentage yield, annual percentage yield. So those are attractive percentages, especially this one right here. That's pretty high. So what we're going to go ahead and do, how you stake and bury. You can do 25% of 5,000 or 5 million. You can do 50% of 5 million, or you can do 75% of 5 million, or 100% of 5 million. I like they did this because you don't have to necessarily do the math. You can say, well, I want to do 50% of 5 million, which that would be 25. That'll be 2,500 million. But same thing with 75%. Same thing with 100% will be 5 million. So we're going to go ahead and stake all of it. That's how you do it. You just go to stake and decide how much you want to stake out of the 5 million. Very simple. So you can do 100%. You actually go here and change the number. If let's say you just want to do just 1 million, I can just do that. I can just type it in here. But we're going to do 100%. Let's stake this. Click on stake. And then what we're going to do is bring back our wallet to make sure we can confirm this transaction. $2.31. That's not bad at all. Let's go ahead and click on approve. Let's approve that transaction, which is being approved. Once again, it's pending. So we got to wait for this to confirm. And what's going to happen, 5 million of this, which is only a value of $30, is going to be added to the total buried that we already had originally. Yes, that's what we're going to do. That's simple and that easy. The good thing about this is that you can continue adding more Shiba or Bone or Leash, and then you can just keep burying it anytime you basically add it into your portfolio, which is a great thing because you'll start earning rewards just like this. Last week, we earned this reward and this reward. So that's what we're doing. And all we have to do to accept this award, literally just by clicking on Wolf Bone, that's all we would have to do. If we want to claim this reward, just click on this here, and there will be a fee that's involved in that. And this right here will be added into our portfolio. This is called Wolfable Bone. This will go into our buried bone section, which will be in this here right here. Okay. The Ethereum will just go back to our wallet. So this percentage here will just go back to this wallet. You'll see a wrapped Ethereum section, and that's where this will go. Wrapped Ethereum. Look for that. That will go right to your wallet there. That's what will happen. So the pending transaction is getting ready to confirm. And when that is staked, then you're done for this actually assignment or transaction. It's really simple. Don't try to really make things harder than what it is. You know, take it slow. Sometimes the pending transaction may take a while based off the volume of Shibaswap, because a lot of people are in and out of Shibaswap of the volume. So just sometimes you may just give yourself some time for this to actually go through. Try not to necessarily get frustrated. So what I like to do, if a pending transaction is taking this long, I sometimes maybe just take a break, come back to the situation, or I'll be looking at my next move. I'll be thinking about what should I do next. But all we did out of here, we swapped and we buried. That's all we did. That's it. Step by step. And we just used one wallet with the WalletConnect with TrustWallet. That's all we actually did here. Now, the pending transaction should be confirming here any moment now. And when that does there, this number, like I said before, will change. It will be about 24 million buried. The goal out of this account here is to get it up to 100 million buried. That's what we want to do on this account as well as a small account. So if you got any questions below, click on the comment box and just put them down there. If you have any questions, if it's something that I'm missing, then I can kind of go back to and reference to, I definitely want to help you out. Especially this is Shibaswap tutorial for dummies, for beginners, or for new people that's coming in to Shibaswap or coming into the crypto game anyway. Because Shibaswap, you can swap out other type of assets. Just like this, it has now finally confirmed. Now, if I go back here, I'm looking at the green success. That's a transaction hash account, well, address, and then the timestamp that it went through. It took a little while, but that's fine. Then I go back here. Now I have 24 million buried. And I'm done with my transactions. And now I'll just wait to collect the rewards that should be happening each week. according to this, it says your wolf bone will be released weekly for the next 6 months. It literally says that in there. Unclaimed amounts will continue to occur onto the next, which meaning if I don't accept this, it'll just compound. And it says only for X-Shib holders, which basically you all become an X-Shib holder when you stake and bury your assets. So you're automatically there as well. So congratulations on getting through the entire video. If you got any questions, put it in the comment line. I would love to hear what you have to say. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this Shibaswap tutorial for dummies, for beginners, for newbie, because I understand how it feels. And I'll be back with another tutorial for beginners later on. I'll see you later. Have a good day, because this is the place to be for Shibaswap tutorials with Adam, and I'll see you in the next video. Man, that was